Alright guys, so here's the car. A couple things have changed, and the biggest obvious one is the spoiler, and also I had painted the mirrors. Made a video and it was an absolute disaster. They just came out some weird, just ruined. I ruined the mirrors. So I put I cleaned them, primer, no, adhesion promoter, primer, base coat, clear coat, everything wrinkled up. It basically turned into, like, you know, the valve cover, the wrinkle black, and it was a disaster. So I had sanded them and never did anything with them again. So I still got to do those in gloss black. But besides that, there's the car, and also I painted the front lip again, and it's the Era paints, and it came out a little bit dark. And then right here, it came out even worse, and it's like a textured feeling too, so that kind of sucks. But it's a 2K clear with adhesion promoter, and yeah, it actually it sticks, and it's really, really good for polyurethane. So there she is right there. Looks a little weird with you know, the little baby side skirts, but man, does this thing look sporty. There's the spoiler right there, or the wing. It's got some orange peel, especially right here at the bottom, but it feels overall pretty good. There are a couple, you know, imperfections, like where things are just sticking out, but nothing, a little sanding, a little cut will do. In the sun, it looks really, really, really good, but as soon as it starts to sunset, the spoiler gets darker than the car, and yeah, but right here you can't really tell. And then even though it's a good match, the metallics are like just a little bit different, but I'm not even complaining. Oh yeah, so there she is right there. Let's get a back shot real quick. That looks so nice. I'll take some pictures too, get some detailed shots. So yeah guys, so that's how she looks so far. Really, really nice looking. Besides the front replica ITR lip and the rear replica ITR lip, everything is OEM as far as like the wheel, spoiler, and oh yeah, the visors. The visors are just eBay. I had replaced the other ones, and yeah, I want to get some nicer ones. But so that's how she looks. Not bad at all. I really, really want to try and get another hood and see if I can do something as far as like a hood vent. I actually have a nice hood vent from a cool company, and I want to try something with like a molded in NACA duct to an actual vent right here, and we'll see more about that and how it goes. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the little video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment.